All right, where are my over 40 mamas? If you guys are busy and you don't have a lot of time in the morning, but you still want to look put together, then this video is for you. All right, hey guys, my name is Wendy. If you guys are new, I am 45 currently. I'll be 46 in a couple weeks. And this is my current routine in the morning. We're talking skincare and makeup, minimal, okay? I don't have a lot of time. I've got 3 littles and I've got 3 different school drop-offs. So I definitely don't have a ton of time in the morning, but I want to look put together and I just want to be ready for the day. So after I drop that 3rd kiddo off, I can come home and start working and filming and like be camera ready. But this is what I've been doing. If you guys want to see how I got to this point, then keep watching. And the next clip, you're going to see me completely barefaced. So don't jump. It's fine. As always, I will have all the products linked down below in the description box or in the comment section. If you guys have questions, I'm here to hopefully answer them. And let's get into it. Okay, good morning, you guys. I'm not drinking anything special. It's just coffee with a little bit of creamer. So first things first, we are going to start. I don't have anything on my face right now, but this is one thing that I've been using and I've actually been really loving these. They're biotin collagen nails, hair, and skin gummies. Now these are in a raspberry flavor and they're so good. Or they're in a berry flavor, but they taste like raspberry. They're just little gummies and they're really good for everything. They literally have they have hyaluronic acid, all the bees. Bear with me, I'm getting over a cold, but I've really been enjoying these. All right, so the first thing I like to do is, this is my favorite vitamin C serum. I recently started trying this brand. I've never even tried it before, which is so shocking. And this is by far my favorite vitamin C. It's almost gone. So I actually just ordered more yesterday, but I like to start with this. And this is more of like an oily product. If you don't like super oily products, then you probably won't like this. But my skin gets very dry and I use an oil because of the next thing I'm going to use. So I just got my ice roller out of the freezer. So it is ice cold. So the first thing I like to do is just start rolling this on my face. And it works best if you use like an oil or a serum on your face. It just glides really nicely. And I like to focus on my under eyes because they can be a little puffy in the morning, like a nice lymphatic draining massage. Okay, so once I finish rolling, I like to go in with this eye cream. This is from the same brand as the vitamin C serum. This is my favorite eye cream, you guys. It's almost gone. I need to get more, but it is literally so good and it's only $20. I have tried $200 eye creams and this is way better. I've just found that my under eyes are like looking less creasy, less wrinkly. So I have been loving this eye cream. Like I cannot even say enough good things about this. And the price. So this product, do not go out and buy this. Like you guys are not going to believe the price on this. It is actually insane. It's supposed to be just an all-in-one anti-aging treatment. I got it sent to me for free on Amazon and I've just been using it. I don't know that I would repurchase it. It is literally like $170. But it is kind of cool because it says that it like is supposed to replace all of your other skincare products, but I can't just be a one and done. Like I like to use a bunch of different products. So I don't know. I am liking this, but I have to say my Obagi is better and it's a little bit cheaper than this one. So this would definitely be a splurge. I don't know. I've been liking it, but I don't know that I would purchase it for that price. It's a lot. And then of course the last step is my sunscreen. This is the Tula Protect and Glow. This is an SPF 30 and it's so pretty. It's like almost kind of shimmery and I just have been really liking this one. I feel like it gives you a nice glow as well as protect your skin. And I will bring this down on my chest as well. I just love this stuff. I think it gives you a nice pretty glow. It will dry down more. It won't be this shiny, but I really do like it. And then the next thing I do is usually work on my hair. It's a hot mess right now and my grays are popping. I have been using this True Hair. It's just like a root cover up, root touch up, whatever, like in between your coloring. Mine is in a dark brown color. So I'll just take a little bit of that on here and then I'll just put it just on my part, just so that you can't see all the grays. All right, before I go do my hair, my lips are really dry. So I've been using this Apple Peony lip oil. It came in a little 3-pack and I love this color. Like it looks like it's going to be like a peachy color, but it actually goes on like kind of pink. And I think it's so pretty. So the cool thing about this is it goes on like an oil, but then once the oil like kind of goes away, it's still gonna have your lips tinted a little bit. So it's kind of like a lip tint oil, but I really like it. Okay, so I just straightened the hair just a little bit because it's when I let it air dry, it gets really weird and wavy. So just straightened it a little bit. So now we're gonna do the quickest, easiest little skin or makeup routine, and it's all over 40 friendly. This is my favorite foundation, you guys. I have gone through, I think, 3 of these now. This is from Prime Prometics, and it's a color changing foundation. I am actually shocked that it works as well as it does. So I was always having problems like finding the right color. I would put it on and then it would oxidize, and I would be like, what? Like, I look like a crazy person. So I love this stuff. Watch how it works. So it comes out and it's kind of what it looks kind of like a color when it came out just now, but it's mostly white. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush, and it literally adapts to your skin. And it is the prettiest, it's the prettiest finish, and it's made for more mature skin. Like, look at that. It just like blended right into my hand. It's crazy. I don't understand how this stuff works. It's magical. Oh, and I will say this is for fair to medium skin tones. Sadly, I don't know. I feel like that's the only shade they have right now, but maybe they will come out with more. I absolutely love this stuff. I try to go back to like a regular foundation and I'm like, I look ridiculous. It just does not match. All right, now for concealer, I've been using this L'Oreal True Match. You can obviously see it's very well used. And I just like to pop a little bit inside right here, and then I'll put a little bit on the outside just for kind of a little lifting effect. And then these brushes I actually found on TikTok Shop. It came with like a crap ton of them, and they actually work really good. I like to use this one for like my liquid bronzer, and then this part right here for my concealer. All right, and once I get my base really going, I like to just curl my eyelashes. I have such a good mascara to show you guys, and it's so affordable. All right, once this sets for a minute, I'm gonna go in. This is my Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten. It's a powder foundation, and it's broke. This is so well loved. So I'm actually just gonna go in with a little bit of this and kind of set my foundation and my concealer just with a very light hand. And this just kind of gets rid of a little bit of the shine, but you're still going to have that nice glowy look. It's not going to make it super matte. I like to glow. All right, and then next I'm going to use my Laura Geller, what is this called? Best of the Best Baked Full Face Basics. Now this thing is so well loved. I have a brand new one, but I haven't gotten it out yet. But this has everything you need. It's got 3 eyeshadows, a bronzer, which is almost gone, a blush, and then 2 highlighters. So this one is looking like it's almost gone because I use that on my eyelids. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this and put that on my eyelids. Just take a very light hand with the blush because a little bit goes a long way. And I'm just going to put a light amount on my cheeks. All right, next I'm going to do a little bit of liquid eyeliner just at the top. This is actually from Wet n Wild. It is just their liquid liner, and the tip is like this. So we're just going to go just very lightly. Okay, and then I'm going to follow up with, this is from Essence. It's called What the Length. This is my favorite mascara. Now, when I first opened it, I was like, oh, no. I cannot stand this type of applicator. Like, it's so tiny. Like, what is that even going to do? Watch. It is so pretty, I think. I think they look so natural, but it really added some length. Like, I don't know. I was so skeptical of this applicator, but I love it. And then I already did my lip tint earlier, so I think we're good to go with that. So this is pretty much it, you guys. Sometimes if I'm not feeling hydrated enough, I will go in with this. This is a Pearl Moisture Solution Mist, and I absolutely love this. Sometimes what I'll do is just throughout the day, like if my skin is starting to feel really dry, I'll just spray some of this on. It is like the nicest mist. You know what? We're just going to put some on. Could never have too much glow, right? And that is pretty much all I will do for just an ordinary everyday. Like, I know it may seem like a lot, but it's really not. It takes under 10 minutes to do everything. So it's just been working for me. I feel like these products are good for over 40 skin, and I am happy with them. So this has been my current routine. Still on a journey trying to get my hair to grow. So if you guys have any tips or tricks, let me know. I'm always looking for new ideas. I feel like I'm just kind of stuck. I don't know if it's hormones or I have low iron. I don't know, but my hair just feels like it's stuck at this length. So, all right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it a little bit helpful. Let me know if you've tried any of these products or if you're planning to try any. These are all tried and true by me, if that makes a difference. And I absolutely love them. I will have everything linked down in the comment section and the description box if you guys want to check anything out. I do have a code, a discount code for the Mario Badescu products. So if you guys are interested in those, I do have a code. I will put that all down below. But I hope you guys have a great day and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.